In this video, we are going to learn about Muslim political thought by Allama Iqbal. So if you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Without any further ado, let's begin. Allama Iqbal was born at Sialkot in a pious family of small merchant. He received his elementary education from Sialkot, and for higher education, he came to Lahore. He did his MA in philosophy from GC Lahore and also served the government college as a lecturer. He later left for England in 1905 for higher education. He obtained PhD degree from Munich University by writing a thesis. He again went to London and did bar at law. He returned to India in 1908 and appointed as a professor of philosophy in Government College Lahore. Along with professorship, he enrolled himself as a practicing barrister at Lahore High Court. On his return from Europe, he gained his livelihood by practice of law, but his fame came from his Persian and Urdu poetry, which was written in classical style for public recitations. Some of his famous works are Asrar-e Khudi, Bange Dara, Bale Jibril, Zarbe Kalim, Ramooze Bekhudi, Ilmul Iqtisad. Now let's move toward the purpose of writing Theory of Umah or Theory of Islamic Nationalism by Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal had studied under British teachers, mostly European. Studying Western curriculum through Western literature had influenced his ideas in a Western mindset. The impact was that his ideas were shaped in a particular Western direction. The concept of nationhood is derived from Treaty of Westphalia. The nation is defined as a people inhabiting the territory of the state. He says that people living in a same territory known as a nation irrespective to the religion. All those people living in a same territory is one nation. He studied Islam while observing Western society. When he returned to India, he had completely different concept of Islamic nationalism or Muslim nationalism. His concept changed territorial nationalism to Islamic nationalism. Now let's move toward the theory of Ummah or Islamic nationalism. Allama Iqbal begins his theory by saying that there are two elements of faith that unite Muslims. Number one, the belief in oneness of Allah, that there is no God but Allah. Or you can say it as a concept of Wahdaniyat. Number two, belief in prophethood of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. These are the ultimate faith or belief of every Muslim. Muslims may belong to different states or territory and they can have loyalty or affiliation with their respective state, but the ultimate identity remain Islam. Therefore, the concept of nationalism in Islam as the most important identity is based on religious faith, not territory. Ummah is the unity of the Muslims. The concept of Ummah can be realized by the Muslim who are Mard-e-Momin. And who are Mard-e-Momin? Those people who have Khudi in themselves are Mard-e-Momin. Khudi means self-actualization or self-realization. It means Allah's powers are limitless. Man is second to Allah. And Allah has given a lot of powers to human. When a man realizes his power and potential is called Khudi. Now how to realize Khudi in yourself? There are different factors by which you can realize Khudi in yourself. Number one, love. Human has been given this power to connect people and with God. Connection can be non-physical or metaphysical. Number two, faqr. It means no lust for anything or controlling your desire for material. Number three, courage. Both physical and moral courage means overcoming and combating all obstacles and hurdles with no failure of nerve. Number four, tolerance. It sustains and strengthens the human ego. Number five, kasbe halal. In a world where selfishness are playing vital part in human life, insistence on kasbe halal is the utmost significance. So it was all about theory of Ummah or theory of Islamic nationalism. Thanks for watching the CSS fair. See you in the next video. Keep moving forward. Allah Hafiz.